What up, guys? Yeah, I think we've gone live. It's now streaming on Facebook. What up? What up? I think I'll just adjust my curtains behind. Just a second. This is good. Yeah. What up? Just a second, guys. मैं आ रहा हूँ. Yep. Hi. Hey, what's up, Murthy? Hi, how are you, Murthy? Hi. Guys, we have 5 minutes. 5 minutes है तो आप लोग को थोड़ा chill करना है तो कर लो. I'll be starting in 5 minutes. Post 5 minutes. So थोड़ा 5 मिनट का time है. What's up? What's up? तेजस भाई is here. What's up, तेजस? क्या बोल रहे हो सर? आप आए. Hi. Hey Mohit, what's up? Guys, we have 5 minutes for Siddharth to come in. So yeah, if you guys can wait, 5 minutes is good. 5 मिनट लगेगा. मैं पहले ही log in कर दिया so that things can be set up and we can just wait for him to come. And yep. क्या बोल रहे हो? How's it going? What's up, Mohit? Hi. Hey guys, what's up? Hey Rahul, what's up? Hi. I've got the thing live with me. कैसा चल रहा है? How's the poker thing going? I had a good week, यार. मतलब मेरा score तो डाला था आपके उस पे. On the group I've put, things were good. How's it going for you guys? Anyone with any big win? किसी का भी कोई अच्छा win हुआ क्या? Anyone? किसी का भी कोई अच्छा? We can also do is मैं share भी कर लेता हूँ, एक काम करता हूँ. Yeah, that makes more sense. Let me just share it meanwhile so that we can get some nice crowd and already people are there, but IPL time थोड़ा सा लफड़ा है. But of course there's no match right now, but still. Just a second, I'm just sharing it in other groups. A good session and giveaway. Shit. Okay, I don't know where did I just share it. What's up? Yeah, already public. What's up, guys? Oh, there are nice 11 people. Acha, yaar. So we can today we are already in the zone. We can start this thing very soon. As soon as he joins in, we'll start. I'm just sharing it some other groups में थोड़ा वो रहेगा. More crowd can come in. मजा आएगा. What's up? The session is going to be sick one. मेरे को लग रहा है मैं आज I'm getting better with every freaking Facebook live. तो questions तो मैंने ढूंढ के निकाले हैं यार. मजा आएगा. It'll be fun. I think it'll be a good thing. So फाड़ेंगे. 3 questions are also going to be on a quiz on his life. So that'll be fun. Let's see who can answer this that. If you guys can share this, it'll be nice. थोड़ा share वाले कर लो ना guys. तो और मजा आएगा. For the speaker also, it's good motivation, right? This is the most awkward part. यहाँ क्या बात करना है वो मेरे को अभी तक figure करना बाकी है. Yeah. कैसे हो guys? Any nice wins, guys? Let's discuss it again. Yeah. Anyone's winning? Naveen is saying his ID on CS is Hey Shrishti, what's up? Hi, Shrishti is watching. Tejas is watching. Hi guys. Where's your guest? Guest is coming. Today we're on Zoom only, तो कोई stress नहीं है. We'll connect ASAP so we can start at 3:30, 3:32. As soon as he joins, we have Siddharth joining in, so he's on time. Justin is saying, bro, talk in English if possible. Oh, what's up? Siddharth is here.
What's up, buddy? How are you?
I'm good, bro. Your hair is killing it, by the way.
just
yeah.
Just got off from a shower. So yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you're
prepared for the session. Looking
forward. The style icon, huh? For poker. Your specs are also pretty cool. Pura full. This thing is there. Nice. It's pretty cool.
मेरे जितना कम effort कोई नहीं करता होगा.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? Really?
I'm very lazy, bro. Super lazy.
अच्छा. Okay.
Haven't shopped since 2 years.
Oh, I think the COVID must have helped you with no reason to go out. So that's
नहीं
just
बाहर COVID hasn't helped in general, but like yeah, I care less. मैं चले जाता हूँ जो भी कपड़े निकले
अच्छा.
wardrobe में.
Oh, okay. Nice. Awesome, man. Thank you so much for coming in. Firstly, awesome. Nice to have you. And I'm super excited. I think I've worked on decent questions. So I think it's going to be good fun.
Lovely, bro. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for doing
Okay. So, guys, I'm also have Siddharth here. I think majority of us know him. And I put his Instagram ID. So he's been really nice to me and said that jisko bhi kuch bhi doubt ho ya anything, he'll try to help you guys out whenever possible. So y'all can just go and follow him on his Instagram ID. It's schemer_karya. So please follow Karlo and that'll be nice. Y'all can get a lot of help from him. So that's there. So firstly, I will just like to say that I saw you, Siddharth, on Pokerbazi playing, streaming, I think a couple of months ago, and I reached out to you that time. And I really liked the whole calm thing you had under control. It was like, you had things completely under control, and and I first time saw you shove with an A6 off. And it was about some 8-10 bigs only, and I didn't understand. For me, I'm like only 6 months old, so I was like, yeah, why is he not trying to save? And he can just try thoda or ranks bad jaye so that he can make some more money, and a lot of things like these. And that day it was a lot of opening for me. Ki, Acha, how do these guys play? And that was a good learning for me that time, and understanding the importance ke wo kya position tha, who's left after you, and also it was big things for me. So since that day, I've been following your streams, and so yeah, thank you for that, and thank you so much for coming, man.
No, thanks a lot. Thanks for mentioning this. Sometimes you forget. So मैं जब खेलता हूँ मेरे को लग रहा है मैं अपना normal चीज कर रहा हूँ, but like what you mentioned or when other people mention it, I get that recall that okay, it is helping in this way. Because when you are in your own bubble, you're playing, you're looking forward to maybe learning new things, or at least जो तुम्हें आता है वो तुम better करते रहो. So you forget about these things because I exactly know what you're saying. Even I was surprised when for the first time I had to shove, say, in that situation, even though it was some time back. I was like A6 off, kaise dalu? So I know what you mean, and yeah, thanks for mentioning it.
Perfect. Awesome. So just quickly about this community and all the guests who come in.
Yeah.
So at least in the start, so now we had about good 12 people who've actually helped and been nice to come and talk. But initially, whoever came after the stream, they would always go and win a major tournament. So I'm just putting pressure on you and giving you good luck also. So all the best for that.
It's a thing. ये होता ही है. ये 100 मतलब तूने ये mention कर दिया, that means there's no pressure, but big Sunday is coming. So and
Awesome.
I haven't like usual Sundays you're playing on Fridays and Saturdays, day 1 खेल रहे हो, day 2 पे जाने के लिए, but I did not play yesterday a lot and I do not plan to play today.
Achha.
So I need all the luck
Perfect.
tomorrow.
All coming your way.
Sunday.
Awesome. Okay. So what I'll do is quickly tell you that we'll do about 8-9 questions that I have. Then and in the middle, I'll just ask a few questions about you to the community as well, so that I can give away a few tickets. And end में we'll do questions which are from the community. I'll try to wrap it as soon as possible.
मेरे को एक बार ये बता दोगे कि how does the community look like? Usually
Please.
players.
Yeah, so a lot of this community is a lot of mid stakes and small stakes players. Okay, majority. Now with you guys coming into the group, so it's growing more and more, but its majority is a lot of small stakes and mid stakes players. So everyone's moreover trying to learn, and that's the best part about it. So that's why this whole community is built on कि मैं कितना learning provide कर सकूं और कितना engagement on the lines of learning हो सके. So there is no promotional stuff happening on the group. It's कि यार there are a lot of, I do quizzes, I do कि अच्छा आज positions पे quiz करते हैं या ये करते हैं, and all that happens usually so that learning happens. And लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता, but I'm trying to scare them so that वो डर के बाद में सीखने की try करे. That's the whole thing which I'm doing. So that's the way I'm trying to create this community. We have a good I think your video is off. Yeah,
just a second, sorry.
So there are good about 870 people right now on the community. So it's been only like 5 months since the time lockdown started. I just randomly started the community and it's been growing fab. We have like 4 partners who give away about 100 plus tickets a month. So it's all going good that way. Everyone's really liking it, and yeah,
wonderful.
That's about it. So and like guys like you are helping us with the entire And I have a goal. If we can touch 2,500 people, then probably start free coaching if possible with others. Not my coaching, but people helping in to actually start coaching. So
Oh,
that's the
lovely.
way the community is. And
Great, yeah.
yeah, so
Good to
ऐसे
know.
चल रहा है. So that's how it's growing. Uh, so yeah, we have about 25 people watching us right now, and the max we've touched is 53 at
Okay.
one go. But Abhi, because of I think the whole IPL has kind of thoda changed the
Yeah,
numbers game, but engagements are always fab, so that's no stress. I think this community has amazing engagement. So thank you.
Yeah, whatever I've seen, मेरे को भी यही लगा, and moreover, the video is of course gonna be there in the group. So even if
Yeah, boss,
people
yeah,
are
I have
watching
plans to
IPL or
take it.
something.
I have plans to take it on YouTube. I have plans to take it on Spotify. So it's only going to grow. It's going to be awesome. So I think
Nice.
there's massive impact going forward for sure.
Wonderful, wonderful.
चलो ठीक है, अच्छा promotional activity किया अपन ने. Let's move to the first question now.
Yeah.
I have one question for you. That so guys, a lot of you all are asking questions. We will come to that. First, I'll ask my questions. So Sid, I see that you're 28, 29 currently, and you made a shift from your business to poker completely, is what I think. And
Yeah.
after how many years of playing poker has this happened? And how do you commit saying ke bas, this is what I want to do forever, for now at least forever? Or is there an alternative plan? Because see, I know, I think you're a good Jew, and business kind of sometimes might run in your blood, right? So wo hota hai. So what is the commitment with poker?
Yeah.
And after how many years did you decide to commit?
So I started playing poker. Pehle, I was playing in undergrad a lot, but
Yeah.
that would be a like just giving that in brief. I used to play a lot of poker in undergrad, and then at that time, sorry, just a second. At that
Please.
time, it wasn't super legit to play poker. I didn't know of many professional players. This is 2011, 12. So वो time पे मेरे को we did very well for us वो time पे भी, but मेरे को it didn't look like a career. So for all those reasons, मेरे दिमाग में ये था ही नहीं कि I'll take it as a career. So I again, as you said, like the background is family business. So the next, uske pehle I wanted to be a cricketer. So I couldn't do
That's my
that.
second question.
Yeah.
So
Those things didn't work out. So I was like, okay, now it was an auto thing that, okay, business is the auto thing to do. So uski padhai mein lag gaya, and I did my MBA and everything. So, and I came back here, started a small company, and after 6-8 months was working in my father's company as well, our family business as well.
Right.
But so it is then, like, so it's very recent. मैंने बीच में 3-4 साल छोड़ दिया था, उसके बाद it's very recent. Last 3 years में I एक wedding में था, and I heard about the Poker Sports League जो अभी होने वाला है, the virtual, मतलब उसका virtual version हो रहा है, virtual sports league. So मैं उसमें गया, like I got picked up for that team, and there I got exposed to all good players. And I was like, okay, ये चीज भी हो रही है, people are taking it professionally, they are studying, they're doing so well in this field. Right. So that's how I got the taste of it. वहां से मुझे ये पता चला कि ये legit चीज है. Got it. ऐसी theories हैं जो cheat code जैसा sound करेगी. You know, they are so good that just by applying those strategies, the other person is handcuffed, or you know, like just or at least it's so smart कि यहाँ पे अगर 200 चिप्स डाल के काम हो रहा है तो मैं 700 चिप्स क्यों डालूं? ये भी एक स्ट्रैटेजी हो सकती है, ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं अपने. So जब ये हुआ तो मुझे इंटरेस्ट जागा, and then I started you know, going deep into it. And फिर मैं दोनों चीज करता था. I tasted both. Like I'm sure there are people who will, if they're not facing this right now, they'll face this question later on in their poker career, 1-1.5 साल में, कि मैं professionally कब खेलूं इसको. So I was doing both. मैं सुबह फैक्ट्री आता था, रात को पोकर खेलता था, सुबह फैक्ट्री. I just used to keep doing it. थोड़ा टाइम मैंने किया, till a point that you become confident in your poker skills. And मेरे लिए ये भी था कि मेरे को I think it goes hand in hand. मेरे को वहां पे dissatisfaction होने लगा काम पे, because I was like कि there's something that I'm good at, there's something that I'm enjoying way more. I want to put more time to it. I want to give more time to it rather than just rather than doing half and half. So yeah, it came to a point कि I was like कि I sort of hated work, and then but it was important for me to be absolute sure. So I think I pushed that decision by 6 months, but it came very naturally. फिर वो आ ही गया. Like if you're still asking, if you're not sure,
Got
and
it.
if you have something in your hand, like a corporate job or a whatever business, I would say that, like, in most case, you wouldn't be ready. Like, that's why आपको ये doubts है. Like, if you think कि, of course, that 5% plunge one needs to take, but I feel that I was ready, and whatever will come, ups and downs, I'll be able to handle that. So that's when I shifted full time to
So right
like
now
playing
you're very
poker.
much committed, because it's like, is it
Yeah.
like a forever thing, or is it like, of course you're exploring things as well, or
No, I'm not exploring. If I'm exploring things, I'm exploring things within poker.
Under. Okay.
Like, whatever, if I want to do things, I could do streaming, I can do, मैं अगर कुछ हाथ पांव आजू बाजू में मार रहा हूँ तो मैं वो पोकर की इंडस्ट्री में कर रहा हूँ.
Understood.
But I'm committed to it fully. I'm playing it full time.
Okay, awesome. So ठीक है. And there was no family this thing at that time, when you
No,
were making that?
it was, but they saw me gradually. Again, 2-3 साल हुए तो they
हाँ.
saw कि थोड़ा खेल रहा है, then they saw कि Sundays Thursdays खेल रहा है, then they saw कि पढ़ रहा है. Then I kept talking with them about this. Of course, they were not
Yeah,
like
yeah,
super comfortable from day one, but or even
That's
now, like 5% तो होता ही है, अभी भी है. But
Understood.
I feel that like once they see your journey, once they see, so when you will be confident, they'll be more confident. It's as simple as that.
Fair
And
enough.
they want the best for you. So if you're happy doing it, if you feel confident doing it, तो बाकी चीजों में अपने आप reflect करने लगेगा, and I think they'll catch on to it.
Okay, okay, awesome. Yeah, I think results also count a lot. So anyway, okay, moving on to my second question. It's that also you've been a huge cricket fan, player. I think you played for Gujarat under 17 also, from what I know. So
Yeah.
cricket is a big thing in India, and maybe that. So one is, did that cricket career for whatever period has any impact on you today? And is there a regret saying कि थोड़ा टाइम खेल लिया होता और तो आज एक आईपीएल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो मिल जाता? Is there something like that or no? Yeah.
So
Fan too, by the way. So yeah, go for it. Yeah.
sorry, what did you
I'm
say
a
at the
big
end?
cricket fan too. So
As well, yeah. So the thing is that it has, if you ask me, I think it has the single most positive impact in my life. Like, not only just poker, I think in general. मैं अभी एक दोस्त के साथ बात कर रहा था, and I was asking with her, and हम ये बात कर रहे थे that how by playing sports competitively, it has given us the single most edge, like just above others. I feel, क्योंकि मतलब of course बहुत तरीके हैं to learn things, but I got my failure so early, right? Like मैं जब under 15 में था, तब मैंने मेरा दिल टूट चुका था, मतलब मैं रो लिया था, करियर खत्म हो चुका था. I wanted to represent India, and those things didn't happen. Like, forget India, like even at the state level, I didn't like I didn't belong there. मैं सिर्फ school level और district level तक I could like sort of
Understood. Dominate.
dominate. Yeah, dominate is the right word. And when I went to the state level, like मुझे दिख गया कि भाई इधर तक ही है,
Next level.
नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. And now, like I have many friends who are doing very well in this career, in this field. So जब मैं उनके साथ बात करता हूँ अब, now that we have grown up, they are like, मैं कल again it's coincidental कि हम लोग कल इस बारे में बात कर रहे थे, and
Okay.
like my friend tells me that सिद्धार्थ तेरे में zero talent था to play at the top level, so there's no way. So the second question that you were coming to, that do I have any regrets? I don't think. There's zero regrets, because I think I gave it all. मैं 2-4 बजे की practice में 3 बजे चले जाता था. I used to do my work. I used to, but there is something called like talent, right? I think वो एथलेटिज्म थोड़ा होना चाहिए. वो अगर if I'm a spinner, तो वो बॉल अच्छा टाइमिंग का वो गिफ्ट होना चाहिए कि परफेक्ट निकले. बैटिंग में the same thing to have. तो it is a like of course you can work very hard, and if I worked very hard like till the end, if I didn't give up, who knows, I don't know कि, but at least it just helps if there's some sort of talent. It gives you that push, and I'm a believer in that for other things that I've done as well. Like जैसे मैं अपना startup कर रहा था, so I realized that कि तुम कितना भी push करो चीजें नहीं होने वाली. Like मतलब तुम
There is a factor
जितना
of
भी
luck which comes in, but you got to work hard. But that factor of this thing is needed. That gift.
yeah, like you need like if I try three things and मेरे को एक चीज में मैं दोनों चीज में 9 out of 10 एफर्ट दे रहा हूँ, तो ऐसा होगा बिकॉज ऑफ योर इनहेरेंट टैलेंट या समथिंग कि एक चीज होगी जो तुम पुश 9 कर रहे हो पर वो 12-13 जा रही है, और कहीं पे तुम पुश 9 कर रहे हो तो 3-4 का रिजल्ट मिल रहा है. So I think and that's a good thing, I think, to learn. So I that was an experience which I had, and of course not only this, cricket as a sport, any sport, I think teaches a lot. So I think it has
Awesome.
impacted very
Perfect.
well.
Okay, I'll just quickly ask everyone a question, okay, related to this, and I'll give a ticket for this, guys. So I think your friend is Harshal Patel, right?
Yeah.
I think I'd seen it in one of the streams. So guys, I don't know. This is a ticket. I hope you guys are cricket fans. So Siddharth has a friend who's Harshal Patel. He's playing in the IPL right now. I of course know which team he plays for. Whoever can answer the correct thing of which IPL team Harshal Patel plays for right now, you'll get a ticket. So आप लोग comment कर लो. We'll move forward to next. Okay.
I was gonna say when you said you have a friend Harshal Patel, right? And then I was gonna say, yeah, he plays for. And then
I know. That's why. Yeah. So it was.
It was good that you quickly asked the question.
Yeah, I actually knew this. So one more question I have, which I feel you might answer before. So okay, I think I've got an answer. Tarun has answered it correctly.
I'll keep my mouth shut.
Yeah, I think Tarun has answered it correctly. It's Delhi Capitals is the right answer. Let's see now what happens, guys.
Nice.
I'll check my comments later. Kaun number 1 pe tha, but anyway. Okay, awesome. Whoever's answered it right, you're winning a ticket. Moving to the next question. We have nice 30 people now, so it's getting exciting. My next question is,
let's go.
Okay. Now that, also tell me this thing, that now that I play, I understand that there are days which are on and off in poker, you know, which is very understandable. Variance है, ये है. But अभी मुझे एक ऐसा चीज आ गया है कि I feel कि if I play 4-5 tournaments, even if I tank, मतलब मैं ब्रेक कर लूंगा 4-5 टूर्नामेंट, उसके बाद एक खेलूंगा, तो उसमें somehow I'll reach somewhere the ITM place, and अगर वो survive कर दिया end तक, तो I'll get a good payday also, थोड़ा अच्छा cash भी हो जाएगा. अभी for a very mid-level, a small stake level player for me, and I'm doing that, and I'm kind of understanding this math for myself. So is it for top players like you guys? Of course, this doesn't hold always, but still for regular players like you guys, are you guys taking this thing for granted यार कि money level है? So do you think कि अभी ये तो बहुत easy है, I can, मतलब पक्का मैं पैसा तो कमा ही पाऊंगा, like even if 4-5 tournaments don't go and I'm playing super high stakes tournaments like Ballers and Godfather and the big ones, and then I decide कि चल मैं छोटे level पे आ जाऊंगा, मेरा 30, 40, 50K वाला payout तो easy है मेरे लिए. So is that the case that you guys feel and taking it for granted?
Yes and no.
Yeah. I like
because it's a good question. It's a very good question, and I think कहीं ना कहीं अगर लोगों ने या तो consciously या तो subconsciously ये सोचा होगा, whatever players who have gone from stakes A to stakes B, and B means उसके ऊपर, C मतलब उसके ऊपर. So yes and no. Why yes is if I play feature tournaments every day, पहले तो ये सब पीरियोडिक है, ये सब चेंज हो सकता है. ये आज मैं 2200 रुपए की टूर्नामेंट क्रश कर रहा हूँ और मैं 5500 की खेल रहा हूँ. ये हो सकता है कि 6-8 महीने के बाद मैं 2200 की क्रश ना करूं, क्योंकि पोकर चेंज हो रहा है. So that is one. Now keeping that thing in mind कि ठीक है अपने इतना long term भी नहीं सोच रहे, which itself is scary, because that means it is an unpredictable industry to be in.
Correct.
But keeping that as an assumption, जो player जैसे lockdown के बीच में there was something that was going in my head which was bothering me personally. So what I decided was that I'll not play the big tournaments at all, क्योंकि मेरा ध्यान इतना नहीं. मैं छोटी टूर्नामेंट खेलने लगा, and I started playing everything. Started playing way more tables than I can, and I made a lot of money. Like I made good money out of from that month, but it won't push me creatively. It won't push me. It won't give me that fun. मेरे को मजे ही नहीं
Correct.
आएंगे वो खेलने. मैं
Because
burn out हो गया.
yeah,
Like
your
I
ambition
burnt
is at
out
that
because I
level.
was like,
Yeah, your ambition is at that level right now. Correct.
क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि मुझे उसमें मजे आने कम हो गए क्योंकि मैं चैलेंज करना कम कर दिया. और आप ये भी चीज कर रहे हो. सो इट्स अ डबल एजेड स्वॉर्ड. व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल फ्रॉम दैट आंसर इज दैट ऐसा कभी होगा, ऐसा बहुत कम होगा unless I don't know, at least मेरा risk taking capacity इस एज में अभी वो नहीं है. Like I don't have kids, I don't have like मेरे को कोई monthly bill payments नहीं करनी कि मैं ये सोचूं कि मैं इस stake पे लंबा टाइम खेलते रहूं. So when I tried it, when I played it, I did well for myself, but I would rather, you know, earn maybe a little less or even maybe sometimes lose in the short run so that maybe I can do better in the long run करके ऐसा. So the answer is yes. If you're playing at the high stakes, you are sort of saying that मैंने नीचे का at least theoretically यही होना चाहिए कि मैंने उसके पहले का लेवल हाँ मैं उसमें बना सकता हूँ आंख बंद करके. पर है ही नहीं ऐसा कुछ. I don't think ऐसा बहुत कम लोग शायद करते होंगे, स्पेशली इंडिया में, क्योंकि इंडिया में ऐसे टूर्नामेंट्स बहुत कम है. मेरे को 1000 रुपए के कोई 150 टूर्नामेंट नहीं मिल रही है खेलने के लिए. So that means that there are only that many tournaments right now to play. Like if you see pokerstars.com or something like it, you will get एक same level पे आपको इतनी सारी tournaments मिलेगी कि आप ये सारी चीजें सोच सकते हो. But yeah, I know I didn't answer like a point blank,
no, but I understand कि there is so. But is that comforting? कि I know it's
Yeah.
affecting your creative side. वो है जैसे right now
Yeah.
if you ask me to go and play a 25,000 GTD tournament, it hurts me. I'm like यार, it's not exciting enough. And now I'm excited to play the 10 lakh GTD example from my end. So for you, it must be that higher tournaments.
But it's not about the guarantee. See, there's a good chance that अगर मैं 1500 रुपए की टूर्नामेंट रेगुलरली खेलूं 5,500 के बदले, तो I'll make more money net.
But challenge नहीं आ रहा है आपको. I understand your
मेरे को शायद वो challenge ना आए. Yeah, like for that you will. So I just wanted to clarify कि it's not about that. Like I understand कि ठीक है मैं 5 लाख रुपए एक साथ नहीं जीत रहा हूँ, पर अगर मैं 80 हजार करके 10 बार जीतने वाला हूँ और वो 5 लाख एक बार जीतने वाला हूँ, then I'm gonna make more money. So in that way I know what कि what उसके पीछे reason क्या है. But having said that also,
right,
it's not challenging enough, or for that reason maybe मैं इतना नहीं करूँगा. I have to mix it up. I have to play some of those. So that I keep making the money also, and I keep doing well also, and I keep pushing myself also. But it is comforting to answer. It is comforting to know.
right.
कि कुछ नहीं तो मैं, as you said, कि ठीक है मैं नीचे जाके I'll be back.
Yeah. I'm just asking this because I'm just trying to make all conversations a little about money as well, because a lot of people watch and there is an inherent thing about poker with money, so I want to keep that kind of there.
For sure, like I think मैं ये as a career नहीं कर रहा हूँ. If it would have been my hobby, like right. So and मैं cricket का example दूंगा इसके लिए कि suppose आप इंडिया के लिए खेल रहे हो or you're not doing well. So what happens? You get dropped. And then you go to the Ranji Trophy level. What happens? Skill levels drop. People's skill level drop. आपका skill level जो आपको लग रहा था top level पे थोड़ा कम है, आप same level पे आ गए. You hit some runs, you score some runs, आपका confidence बढ़ेगा. And then when you are at a good, like, but you still know that आपको भी अपनी game upgrade करनी है. But at least that confidence helps you to sort of go ahead. And yeah, it's pretty similar, I think.
Got it. No, valid point. Okay. Next question is, so now there must be like players like you must be 50 of you among the top kind of players in the industry now. So, and top people make money in different ways. So one is a simple way of poker is that you can make money via winning cash or tournaments. That is one way. But now as a professional poker player and among the top ones, what ways do you see is either today or in the coming ways of कैसे, or जैसे you said मैं हाथ पाँव अगर दूसरी जगह भी थोड़ा मारूं along with the game. So what are those places where a player can look at extra things that you guys can do in this industry?
Yeah, it's an interesting question because ऐसा कोई अभी I don't think there's any. Yes, maybe there is one. Like I don't think इतने बहुत ज़्यादा avenue substitutes हैं. So I don't think substitute तो नहीं है, but yeah, to go hand in hand, like two things which I think one thing only comes to mind. Sort of coaching is, I think, something which is big, which can make you good money compare, like which can be sort of compared to your poker earnings, or if you're playing less poker, then maybe even more.
Got it.
So that
And
can
that's like-
definitely, like you see things like Raise Your Edge. You see these companies bahar ki who are doing so well, so there's definitely scope as this industry grows, that where there could be but again, it will go hand in hand with being a good poker player. So I think that is one.
The coaching is
I
good. Yeah.
uh, I stream, so
Yeah.
like maybe if it was related to that as well. So streaming could be one thing, but again, like compared to
No.
like what you will do while playing poker, it could be less. It could be like it will definitely be less, but again, like depends. आप 6 दिन में stream कर पूरे week stream कर रहे हो, if you're making a channel out of it, if you are आप social media पे अगर Zada, if you're trying to become an influencer in this field,
Right,
these are
right,
all
right.
uncharted territories. And is there scope? Definitely. Like there's scope, 110% there's scope.
Got it.
The question is, do you want to do it? And how successful, of course,
Because-
will you be?
yeah,
in it?
जैसे
So
मैंने
it's up for grabs, I think. हो तो
It
सकता है,
is, it is,
possibility.
right? हाँ, मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ because see, streaming में I read abroad कि someone is making a $6 in dollars, 6-figure salary for out of streaming, you know, because brands are paying him. India
Yeah.
में today we have like I have 30 people watching me right now, 33 in fact. And you guys, when you all stream, of course, there must be some more. But it's not at that number where you can start making a 6-figure
Exactly.
salary. तो वो है
Yeah, yeah.
आगे. You think it's there आगे?
नंबर्स अगर पोकर के नंबर्स बढ़ेंगे तो वो
हाँ.
नंबर क्यों नहीं बढ़ेंगे? 100%
Okay.
बढ़ेंगे. लाइक
Okay.
अगर सो इट्स लाइक सेइंग क्या पोकर इतना बड़ा है. सो आई थिंक होगा, अभी नहीं, बट जैसे लाइक विद ड्रीम 11 कमिंग इन, से विद MPL एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स कमिंग इन, अगर मतलब मैं हंसता हूँ कभी कभी, बात करता हूँ तो लोगों से, अगर ये सब स्किल गेम है, ठीक है, तो पोकर कितनी बड़ी स्किल गेम है, राइट?
Correct,
सो
correct.
and this is an anchor to poker. These industries are an anchor to poker. If Dream 11
I
not
think- हाँ.
do well and thrive, then that means you can feel safe about at least poker in over here. And then but because of the complexities of it, it remains to be seen if अगर वो numbers बढ़ेंगे या चीजें हो, मतलब there will be a lot of people who will be joining it or not. I think it will be. I think, say for a youth, if अगर किसी 21 साल के बंदे को अब चांस मिल रहा है to earn big money, जो जब उसका alternative is 15,000 20,000 की salary,
I agree.
तो वो short क्यों नहीं देगा? क्यों
नहीं, I
100%
agree.
देगा,
I
short भी
completely
देगा. और
Yeah.
and he's smart. He's already smart. There's no barrier of entry in poker. There's no barrier of entry. So
Okay.
like all you need to do is like be smart about your game, and keep working on yourself, and you will enjoy doing it. And so I see it happening. But just a word of caution, like so yeah, there is scope in these industry, but I think you have to see if you fit that, if you want that thing or not. And yeah, so
Fair enough. Okay, nice answer. Perfect. Got it. So, okay, I'm like on my 5th question. I have about 8 or 9 questions is what I have.
awesome.
I will also ask everyone one more question about you. Let's do that. So, guys, he won the Asian Championship of Poker, right? Is what you had won. I will ask the place. You need to tell me what was the location, or where was he when he won the Asian Championship of Poker, guys? Whoever can.
I'll not tell I'll of course not tell the place, but I came second in it.
Oh, okay. So he came second in the Asian Championship of Poker.
Yeah.
Where was it, guys? And yeah, so if whoever knows that place, that's good enough. If you don't know it, you've got to research. But one ticket gone or else. So I think if someone would know, it's not Goa. I've got an answer, Goa, but Goa nahi hai. Chalo, we'll move on to our next question.
Awesome.
Okay, what is the impact of poker on any of your relationships, family, friends, a partner, And how are you controlling your mindset, if anything? Yeah.
Interesting question. Good question. Like, I would say, I'll start with my closest friends. I think there's zero impact, like negative impact, I
Oh,
mean.
wow.
And it has just grown because ये ऐसा interesting topic है. It requires a lot of not only technical support but mental, emotional support as well. So
Correct.
for me, more mental than emotional when it comes to poker. And yeah, I don't know, it goes hand in hand. So I talk a lot about poker with two of my closest friends, and हम लोग बात करते रहते हैं about the game. They being sportsmen as well, they understand what goes in it, and like in other sports. So it's very comforting, it's very good, it's very healthy, I feel. So friends ke sath, it's been like that with parents as well. So basically, now that I've never thought about it, now that I'm talking and thinking about it, the closest relations, they sort of remain the
Wow.
same. But of course, जहाँ पे भी understanding थोड़ी कम थी, because your social life becomes so bad. Like you waking up late, you are having lunch late, and then you have less time. Like suppose your window as a player becomes like, I don't know, 3 to 8, 2 to 7 types, and उसमें भी अगर आपको पढ़ाई करनी है तो वो window और भी कम होगा. So and then if you start playing at night, like so basically you get less time to sort of interact with a lot of people, because usually after work people chill. So yeah, there is kuch but just because of the lack of time, and also you're within yourself. Like the thing is that you've always, when you're playing poker, like I was just speaking with a friend, I was telling him that we don't realize how crazy this industry is, because आप जब 12 घंटे खुद के साथ होते हो और आप खेल रहे हो, and you're thinking about something all the time, you are very tired. You just don't know it. But when you're doing for 4-5 days a week, you're tired, and then you want your off time. Yeah, and you will have to, if you don't take it, your body will force you to take it. So ये चीजें होगी, and then because of all these things, you won't do, like you end up doing less and less of things you don't really enjoy. So in a way, it has just enriched, it has just helped, I think. अच्छा ही हुआ है. But yeah, I see it positively. I don't see many negative impacts over here, apart from just my lifestyle, which I feel should be better, could be better.
It's just not the normal lifestyle. जो सुबह 9 बजे.
तेरा आवाज एकदम कम हो गया पार्थ, sorry.
मेरा आवाज कम हो गया?
Yeah, could be my.
No, I think it's your side, because I felt your voice becoming less. I think you've not put it on speaker anymore. इसलिए.
एक second.
Yeah. If it was on speaker, वो speaker पे नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से.
Should I disconnect audio and come back? ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah. एक symbol दिख रहा होगा. I think I don't know, in my Android OnePlus phone I see it that way. वो जो speaker का option है, put it off and put it on again if you can. Your voice changed in that answer. Yeah.
Yo. Good.
Perfect. Now it's good. Now.
Yeah. So did I? जब मैं बात कर रहा था वो सुनाई दे रहा था कि नहीं?
नहीं, पूरा सुनाई दिया. खाली आवाज different था, but सुनाई पूरा दिया. ठीक है. Awesome. Okay, guys. Yes, the answer was Macau. I see there have been a lot of comments, and many people know it already. So I think that's cool. So
that's great. It's a crazy thing. I think वो tournament के वजह से मेरे को Poker Sports League में entry मिली थी. And I didn't like. We were there for a bachelor's trip, or it was crazy. It was not even, तब मैं poker खेलता भी नहीं था जब ये चीज हुई, which is crazy.
Nice. Yeah. So I think that is good. When I have my bachelor's, I hope this happens to me also now.
It was not my bachelor's, it was my family.
I know. Yeah, I've read the story. So yeah, fair enough. Okay.
I was like, मेरा bachelor's बोल के अगर in case there's 1 or 2 scores to काट मत देना यार. So I was like, I should mention it.
So girls, he's single. So this group's population of जब भी को data पूछ रहे थे, so 8-9% is girls and 91% is guys. So mostly you are going to get it difficult.
That's still way more than the average Indian, like our industry, our poker industry. So
because when Muskan was coming last week, Muskan City was here. She was also very nice to have come here.
And nice.
Yeah, so I ensured that I made a lot of girls who play poker with me on Diwali. कि दिवाली के रात पे कि हम like तुम लोग को ये attend करना ही है. My office colleagues also I said कि भाई तुम लोग को आना ही है. So I think that made the stats even better. Or
Oh,
else,
thank God.
yeah.
It was good. It was good. My interview was after Muskan then.
अरे, ठीक है. Awesome. Okay, so
Yes,
what's
yes.
Sid's goal 5 years down the line? So I think it's my last question before we move to rapid. And so what's your goal 5 years down the line? ऐसा कुछ अगर हो तो, and some 3 tips, including your padhai schedule, to everyone who's watching the small and mid stakes level. So one is your this thing 5 years down the line. Where do you see interview question? Yeah.
I've never like
अच्छा.
5 साल तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. Like I've never thought about anything, but what's close to my mind right now is next year's World Series.
Okay.
मेरे को जाना है उधर. I want to play a lot of tournaments over there. Hopefully online नहीं होगा, Vegas में होगा. Corona would be like whatever, not a question anymore. So it is to play many events in the World Series of Poker. I've been there once. I want to go there again and like better prepared.
Got it.
So do
That's
very
my
well in
immediate
that.
goal you have.
That's my goal. And in general, like be a very good poker player technically. So that's sort of a goal. Second thing was
Some tips on what
some
you
tips.
can on padhai.
Yeah, like padhai itself is the like first tip would be that ki do a lot of padhai. Like study is super important. Even though I think I've been disciplined when I started it, like playing poker. Like earlier I was very disciplined, and last like some like again I think I've gotten back to it, and uske pehle beech mein I wasn't very disciplined. And what I want to share is that there's a direct correlation with how you do in poker with how much you're studying. So it's no brainer. Aapko acha karna hai, so like get those hours in, and so that's the first tip. Second thing would be like I think what like figuring out. Second thing is I think जो मैं अपने friend के साथ discuss कर रहा था कि there's no one good, like there's no one answer to study. Like there's no one course. Raise your edge कर लो. There's no one thing कि
Okay.
run it once कर लो, GTO पढ़ो, ये करो. I think it's who you are, and also like where you are in your. So if I say that some like this thing is helping me a lot, like if I'm if someone is working with solvers, or someone is working कुछ उसने एक run at once का raise your edge का course किया है, oh change my life like the best, but he was already at a certain stage जब उसने वो चीज की, और so that's why it impacted him that much. So here things, you know, these are the things to be done. ये 4 5 6 चीजें हैं which I think everyone knows. इतनी बार बाहर आ चुकी है, इतनी बार लोग बात कर चुके हैं उसके बारे में. So go there, see, try look for yourself, what and try things and see what do you need at that time. Do you need technical support ज्यादा, कि आपको maths आपको अपना base strong करना है? Someone like raise your edge would be like क्या आपको कुछ exploitative strategies समझनी है, सीखनी देखनी है, जो so what, like क्या आपको लोगों का support चाहिए? Do you need? So there's no one right answer. My second tip would be like be fine with doing something that no one else is doing, and be fine also with just doing what everyone else is, just trying things out. Like if you really like it, you will find out a way. That's what I feel. And my schedule is, I don't have like what happens is it's phases. या तो I'm playing a lot, or maybe I'm studying more than usual. And but a good schedule I think should look like this. I don't say I do it, but it should look like this. Is you get up, I think, do your whatever सुबह का जो भी, what दोपहर का, whatever time you get up, do your thing, and then I think you should study for like those 1-2 hours every day, rather than doing it like combining it. Study for 2 hours or stuff, and then take a little break before your grind, जिससे पढ़ाई और grind एक साथ लंबा scene ना हो जाए, and then grind and then have a cool down जिसमें you are thinking about like if you had any goals for the session, did you follow it, how was the session, how did it go, read something, yeah, even basically you won't fall asleep तुरंत. So and don't, you know, like it's once लोगों का काम खत्म होता है 9 से 5 तो लोग थोड़ा chill करते हैं. So I think it's good, like chill for a bit and then go on. I think this is an ideal schedule for me.
Okay. Valid. Okay. Awesome. ठीक है. I'm going to move. Okay, that answer was Macau. I have one more question, guys. On what day does Siddharth stream for Pokerbazi? On what day of the week does he stream? It's a fixed day, right? So on what day does he stream? Guys, you all can answer. We'll move to the rapid section because we all like Karan Johar. So we'll get some copying. Okay, so my questions are, we'll be very quick with these answers. So there's no need for, like, you know, we'll be quick. There's no right, wrong answer. ऐसे ही जो आता है. One is, what's your best purchase with your poker money?
Spa. Lot of spas.
Oh, okay. Wow. Nice. Okay. We won't dwell deeper into them.
There's nothing to delve deeper, but yeah, except the deep tissues.
Chalo, theek hai, awesome. Dream destination to play poker at? I guess it's Vegas only, but dream destination.
I would say Barcelona, just
okay.
because of the city.
Acha, I didn't know this. Okay, so Barcelona is the okay.
Yeah, I mean, could be a very good spot. Vegas mein gaya hoon, so.
Okay, I think someone's answered it. Yes, guys, the answer was Tuesday. जिसने भी Tuesday दिया है, उसमें से एक is going to be the winner. 3 questions का. Okay, poker crush, Siddharth.
Poker crush are none, to be very honest.
Acha, favorite hand.
I'll give some scoop. There was one. I'll not name the person, but I interacted and I was like, nah. So nahi hua.
नहीं हो पा रहा है. चलो ठीक है. Awesome. That's sweet, yeah. Acha, nice. I got something, guys.
Yeah.
There should be a spike in the views now.
होना चाहिए.
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, favorite hand.
Sevens, I would say.
Oh, okay. Boss, honestly, I had a very nice period and वो sevens के कारण ही था. So I think fine, चलो, let's go for it.
Sevens on the turn. सत्ती turn पे लगती है.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay, this is not a thing, guys. ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ. कॉल मत कर देना. ओवरबेट कोई फ्लॉप पे बड़ी बेट कर रहा है और लोग बोल रहे हैं कि 7 हिट होने वाला है, मैं कॉल करता हूँ. Don't do it.
अच्छा ठीक है, awesome. Biggest regret because of poker, if any? No is also fine answer. If any regret because of poker?
I wouldn't. Yeah, I mean, there's no regrets, but मैंने एक final table पे, I was short. It was a big final table. BPT live में था जब मैंने ace-3 off डाल दिया था. Like, it was not a huge mistake, but yeah, now I know it was a big mistake. So
Okay.
whatever.
If not a poker player, then?
If not a poker player, then either family business or मतलब business maybe.
Okay.
Cricket तो नहीं हो पाया हमसे.
I got it.
So,
yeah, वो I understood.
Or maybe this someone in the data analysis, maybe somewhere in that. It was an interesting field that I found in college, but
okay. Wow.
So maybe कुछ उस field में शायद.
Okay. Favorite IPL team?
Chennai.
Oh, you're a Chennai fan. Okay.
Chennai because of Dhoni, and favorite because so current favorite is of course Delhi Capitals. Like Harshal is my best friend, and like so of course it's so पर वो भी team बदलता रहता है. पहले RCB में था, Delhi थी. So I would say like all time favorite is Chennai because of Dhoni.
Nice. I would love to ask hopefully next time when I get to talk to you, I'm going to ask you inside details of IPL, man, because I'm a great fan, so I would love to know some details. मजा आएगा सुनने का.
मेरे पास जो थोड़ा बहुत scoop है 100% दूंगा.
चलो ठीक है, done. Okay, favorite site if you can answer, if you have any, or it's okay, whatever. Favorite site?
No, I think strong points हैं सारे कुछ ना कुछ website से. So I don't think there's one favorite. Like genuinely नहीं है.
चलो ठीक है.
Guarantees Spartan की बड़ी है, service बाजी की अच्छी है. Adda overall in the whole sense is like softness wise, it's I think Adda. So
okay.
Yeah.
And mostly you're also grinding this tournament tomorrow. So now जो field थोड़ी soft थी, जो मैं यहाँ जो लोगों को टिकट्स देता हूँ, now they might have a difficult competition tomorrow if you play. So
मैंने
that's
अपना
one thing.
मैंने अपना आईडी बना लिया है, so I'm
Okay.
coming. मजा आएगा calling
Oh, yeah.
station
So
के
guys,
लिए
I'm
भी।
giving away a ticket tomorrow. Events poker for 15 lakh, which is Sunday prime time at Calling Stations, and we have Siddharth also playing. So all the best. And I'm sorry, I also play that, so I'm also going to have like a difficult time. But okay, awesome. Poker inspiration. Poker
Kind word.
inspiration.
Poker inspiration is sort of none, to be honest. One person,
Oh,
Bencity, just the way he gives, just the way he talks. Of course, he's doing it for his work, for his company, everything. But just the mindset that he shares is good. So could be him if I have to choose one. But ऐसा कुछ एक जन नहीं है.
okay, okay. Awesome, man. Chalo, that sounds good. I'm done with a lot of questions. I hope you enjoyed these questions which I had. I tried making it more this thing.
No, I think it was very well thought of. Thank you for doing this. Like it was good
Yeah,
that
we're not
you were
done.
thought.
We have to do a few questions of everyone which they've asked. Please, let's just
Okay.
answer. Yeah, yeah,
Let's
yeah.
go.
I'm done with my questions. Because we've got 170 comments. I won't ask you all, but
No.
थोड़ा
जो भी
थोड़ा
देखो लगे.
हाँ done वही कर रहा हूँ. Just a second, please. एक second. I'm like खाली I'll have to roll up to the top comments and then scroll down. Just a second, please. Okay, everyone is saying hi, hello, bro. So I think that is a nice thing. What's up? What's up? Everyone saying hey. Where's the guest? Okay. Oh, so okay. One is quoting from your an interview saying that your dad called you to ask you that 2-3 months ago you not asked for money. So that is something which someone knows about. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's good to hear. Thanks.
Yeah, that's Murthy. So Murthy, yeah, that's what he kind of he knows.
Murthy
Everyone
is the hustler. Murthy is the best, like the biggest ticket hustler I've seen. I like
Yeah.
that. I've told him many times that it's crazy that he's hustling. I love it.
So I'm going to give Murthy a ticket now that he's here and you're saying this. I'm going to give Murthy a ticket. Let's go for it.
Crazy.
Chalo, theek hai. Future of poker in India is a question which you kind of answered. It'll grow, I believe.
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay. Okay, this is an
Unless
interesting.
government कुछ
हाँ.
bomb फोड़े.
ठीक है, but what everyone says ना कि TDS मिल रहा है तो ठीक है. I don't know. That's what people say, but okay.
I mean, पता नहीं. मेरे को whatever. I think it's fine. It's just that ऐसा it's little unpredictable क्योंकि कुछ ऐसी unforeseen चीज हो गई और वगैरह. But I'm not the one to comment. Like I don't have enough knowledge maybe to answer this question.
Okay, this is an interesting question. Ke, being a professional poker player, have you thought on the moral side? Ke, how will you add value to the society? I don't know. It's a different question which I've got. Say, ke, how will you add value to? Has it ever come to your mind?
Sort of.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I think part of streaming is because of that. Like कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगा कि there are things to add, and that's why sort of I'm not saying that only because of this reason I got attracted to streaming, but that was one. And ये thought मेरे दिमाग में तो काफी बार आता है. So my thing is that I start with people around me. Like if I can help people around me, पहले वो तो करूं, and then I can think about the whole community and आगे and which I have a platform to with the streaming and stuff. So possibilities
Things like
are there.
these. So thank you. Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, nice. Okay. Live poker versus offline, online poker versus live. Which one do you prefer?
Very close.
Oh,
Live I enjoy more, but online you sort of can make like there's more guarantee of making money. For me, it is live has worked out very well, even though I've put in less volume. But I know how poker works, and that's why I know that online could be your bread and butter very easily compared to live.
Okay. How often do you take from poker? Breaks from poker. How often do you take breaks from poker?
Way more than I should.
Okay.
My average would be like I play like compared to a reg. How much a reg should play, I play way less compared to.
But I think that's what brings the balance with your interaction with family, friends, and also I think maybe
100%. 100%.
Okay. What to do when you start running card dead in the middle of a tournament is a question which I have from someone.
So I mean, if you can play more table, you can generally, if you're playing more tables, वो नहीं होगा. But and अभी एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था. Say he's just playing one table and he's even getting a little थोड़ा
No.
I don't know. Now I'm talking about frustration. I'm not talking about, usually if you're just one table and this is what you're doing, then observe people, how others are playing. उस पे focus करो.
That's the
Put
right way.
yourself in uh, put yourself in, like say आप बटन आप कार्ड डेड हो और बटन पे आपको आप बटन पे खेल रहे हो, बट यूटीजी और हाईजैक हैंड खेल रहा है, तो खुद को हाईजैक की पोजीशन पे रखो कि उसके पास क्या होगा. प्ले द गेसिंग गेम विद इन. सो यू जस्ट गेसिंग, यू शार्पनिंग योर edge on the table, you sort of making notes on others in a way. So that is one. And then when shit hits the fan, like if अगर आपका दिमाग चलना बंद हो चुका है कि ओके अब मैं एक, जैसे ऐसा होता है कि रात के 2 बजे एक टेबल चल रहा है, वो भी इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, then I think it's not a bad idea to just start something on the side, like an IPL highlights or even some friends entourage, I think, and I don't know, some light series you can start, which I think
similar interest, by the way. I like all
yeah
friends and whatever you said. I know a lot of people love it, but yeah, that's good to hear.
yeah.
Okay.
So something that you won't need a lot of attention to, but so I'm not suggesting, of course, to grind with all these things on. I'm just saying that I'm saying for a particular situation, जब सब कुछ है ही नहीं, एक table है and so then you're better off not paying attention, क्योंकि आप वरना you'll create a hand out of
Nothing.
where there's no hand, and
Yeah.
you'll play a lot of hands
Very
and
valid
you'll
point.
screw.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Okay. If this question is there, how should I be trying to outlast other small stacks to get pay jumps, or should I be going in aggressive for the blinds and trying to double up? So it's basically in the money question.
After in the money, so it's so just after the money, एक ऐसे एक लाइन में आंसर तो नहीं हो सकता है, बट फिर भी usually just after the money you go for it, like you have, आपको फाइनल टेबल बड़े स्टैक से बनाना है, so you go for it for sure. बट जब फाइनल 2 टेबल्स हैं या 10 12 13 लोग बाकी हैं, that's when
massive pay jumps happen.
yeah wherever there are pay jumps. It was interesting. एक दूसरा कम्युनिटी में हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि like कि highest like you have to be most careful, like ICM ka highest pressure is still that 10-12 players point of view, and then it gradually starts decreasing, which is counterintuitive. We think that okay, pay jumps agar bade ho rahe hain to main aur yeah, but the thing is that the players also come over rahe hain. So if you're 7 of 7 is a 6 of 6 or 5 of 5, then there are of course बहुत लोग नॉकआउट होने के चांसेस कम ही है if you are the shortest stack. So in that case again you can go for it. So depends on the situation, but in general after the money, golden rule is मेरे को final table करना है with top 3 stacks.
Okay, fine. Wow, that's okay. Do you take notes on opponents, and how do you do it? Like, is there a particular strategy you have, or if you can explain in quick?
Yeah, so I don't have a very good strategy. Like I don't mark players as, like मेरी color coding बहुत, मैंने अपने आप थोड़ा सा, I just write what they do. And it now when I see very good players doing that, I was like, okay, I was on the right path. So so that is a validation, but I also saw that like it's actually a detailed answer, but like the only thing is that basically you have to write ऐसा कुछ जो आपको हेल्प कर सके आगे. That's a one liner that if you want to take.
Personalized, customized है जो मुझे हेल्प करेगा understand करने में ये player.
Yeah, but it should be still like technical. It should be like game related कि okay इसने इस spot पे ऐसा कर दिया and maybe मैं इस तरीके से इसका use कर सकता हूँ. I don't do this personally like इतना जितना I should do.
Understood. Okay. Some people have asked me एकदम full some people have asked a full proper case study question पूरा उसके ऊपर के ये इतना I have so many big blinds and all, so that I'm not going to ask you right now because वो difficult हो जाएगा. And okay, how do you avoid being on a tilt? Because do you have, when you have a downswing, so how do you avoid being that, and how do you handle it personally?
थोड़ा सा गिफ्ट, like थोड़ा सा ये है कि I think that in general I do not tilt a lot. like just from the beginning. I've seen many people having big problems. I'm lucky in that way. Ki,
Okay.
like I don't tilt a lot in general, but and I keep थोड़ा positive mindset रखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. So that like in many ways that helps. But it catches on to you. Like of course I've also felt sometimes like oh like those things are also tilt for me or in general. But I think just the fact जैसे कल ही ये हुआ नॉन पोकर चीज थी बट नॉन टेबल रिलेटेड चीज पे मैं मेरे को I felt agitated and I made a horrible mistake on the table. So just understanding this कि इसका कोई फायदा नहीं है, you know, there's no benefit or and बद नुकसान है because there's already something bad has happened to you and that's why you're tilting or whatever you perceived it in a bad way and you're tilting, but it will damage further, it will damage you further. So if you don't want to like वो damage control करना है, आपको ज्यादा नहीं होना है, मतलब नुकसान हो चुका है ऑलरेडी, नुकसान हो चुका है, उसमें आपको और नुकसान करोगे if you'll keep tilting. So just understanding this way more I think will help one
Okay.
me as well as
I'm
others.
just quickly finished the last few questions. Okay. I'm playing good with some other people ka money, but when it comes to my own money, I'm running very bad. Is there an answer to that?
You playing good with other people's money, yeah, like I think so you're emotionally very attached, I guess, to the money aspect. So if it's a beneficial deal for both of you guys,
Okay.
like continue it, but just as a self improvement, just as growth in general, like it's a good skill set to have, that you start playing with your own money, maybe very small stakes at a later level. It's something that one can learn from ऐसा, but that just means that you are very emotionally attached to
Touch your money.
that
So
task. वो कहीं ना कहीं आगे haunt करेगी. So like I would suggest him or her to sort of वो root से you know solve that problem rather than just
understood.
ऐसे
Got it.
अभी के लिए. Yeah.
Okay. So do you get staked personally, or you don't like to do that? What do you do?
Do you get?
Staked. I mean, that's the thing, right? That when people you go for staking or whatever that is, when people actually you're selling your this thing, right? So do you go for that personally? That's another question.
Do I sell action? That means
Yeah.
no more like unless I'm playing a like a super high roller.
Okay.
So मेरा भी so there's bankroll management, right? Like most of people I think have talked
100%, right?
So अगर मेरा bankroll मेरे को 20,000 की टूर्नामेंट अलाउ करता है तो मैं उसका कभी स्टेकिंग नहीं लूंगा. एंड अगर फिर ऊपर मैं 30,000 की टूर्नामेंट खेल रहा हूँ तो जो डेल्टा है 10,000 का वो 10,000 के लिए मैं स्टेकिंग ले लूंगा, मेरा 30% एक्शन बेच दूंगा एंड दैट्स इट. लाइक कभी ऐसा नहीं किया मैंने कि मैं अब बैंकरोल 20,000 है बट मेरे को फील आ रही है तो मैं 50,000 की टूर्नामेंट भी खेल लूंगा या so never like just it's just written in stone कि ये चीज करनी है तो करनी है. बैंकरोल को
wow, this is
just follow,
nice.
आंख बंद करके follow because it just helps, right? वही emotional attachment कम हो जाएगा then.
Okay, got it. So yeah, there are more questions. We are good. How many bullets do you fire? Last question. How many bullets do you fire? Usually, again, it's a bankroll question. So yeah,
yeah, till I feel, मतलब till I feel I'm playing well.
Okay. Got it.
And मेरा so कुछ टूर्नामेंट्स के लिए मैंने 20 बिग ब्लाइंड डिसाइड किया है. यूजुअली 12 बिग ब्लाइंड इज वेयर आई स्टॉप. आई वुडंट सजेस्ट कि सब लोग ये रखे 12 बिग ब्लाइंड का you know mark. I think 20-25 could be a safer conservative option, but you just know that you know इसमें इस टूर्नामेंट में आपके पास थोड़ा एज है, you can do it. Then I go till 12 big blinds. I stop at 12.
Understood.
11 if I'm feeling little
lucky and positive.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome, man. Like, you know, this could have gone on. We've got like 54 shares and 165 comments. So this could just go on.
Crazy.
So we'll kind of put an end to it. And
Thank you.
I had a good learning. Thank you so much.
I learned something as well, and it was a lot of fun. Thank you for organizing this. Maza aaya.
Thank you guys. Everyone, again, schemer_Karya. Let's go follow him on Instagram also, and let's all just grow. Thank you so much, Siddharth.
Thank you, Parth. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you guys. 3 people have won the thing questions card. Tuesday the answer Macau tha and Harshal Patel plays for Delhi Capitals. So those 3 are the right answers. I'll give 1-1-1. बाकी के the good questions के लिए एक question के लिए मूर्ति को answer दे दिया है already because Siddharth said the remaining I will mark it and I will comment. Please give your IDs जल्दी. कल तक tickets मिल जाएगी कल end of the day तक. So don't constantly Facebook message me. आपको कल तक tickets पक्का मिल जाएगी. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for turning up. Thanks guys. Bye.